In this video, I want to look at how to install both R and RStudio. R is going to be the basic package we're using, whereas RStudio is an add-on that makes R easier for beginners. To start with, we're going to need to go to this website, r-project.org, and then in this Getting Started box, we're going to click Download R. The next step, we're going to find a site of our choice. So for me, I'm in the United States. And I'm going to choose the one that's in Pittsburgh. Once we've done that, we need to pick our operating system. I have a Mac, so I'll select Mac. And we're just going to select the most recent package. We'll give it a second to download. And once it's finished, we'll go ahead and install it. We'll click Continue, Continue, Agree, and we'll go ahead and install. So now the installation was successful. I can close, and I'll go ahead and move the installer to the trash. Once we've done that, we want to install RStudio. For this, we just need to go to rstudio.com, and then we'll click the download button. For our purposes, we'll use the RStudio desktop free version, and then we can download and install this. Now that we have both R and RStudio installed, let's discuss the layout so we have an idea of what we're looking at. So here we have 4 windows that I want to discuss. The first, this bottom left one, this is the console window, also known as the command window. Here we can type simple commands after this little greater than symbol sign, and R will execute the command. This is the most important window because this is where R actually does stuff. As an example, I typed in 2 plus 2, I can hit enter, and it'll output 4. The top left here, this is known as the editor window or the script window. And this is where collections of commands or scripts can be edited and saved. It is possible that the editor window didn't open whenever you opened RStudio. In that case, you just select File, New File, and RScript, and that will open up one of these windows. Just typing a command into the editor window is not enough. It has to get into the command window before R executes the command. So now I have a few commands in this command window. We can select them all and click the Run button to get them to output. And this is how we would run things from the editor window to the command window. You do need to select all of the lines that you want to run and then just click Run. This top right, this is our Workspace and History window. In the environment, also known as the Workspace window, you can see which data and values R has in its memory. I defined a variable A and saved it as 2. So you'll be able to see any values that you have saved. And then the History window shows us what we have previously typed. The bottom right, this is our Files, Plots, Packages, and Helps window. Here we can open files, we can view plots that we've graphed, install and load packages, and use our help functions. This is down this bottom right. This is how we would do all of that. Finally, I want to talk about the libraries. R can do many statistical and data analysis, and these are organized into packages or libraries. With the standard installation that we did, the most common packages are already installed. If we click on this packages here, we can get a list of all of the packages that are currently installed. In addition, if the box in front of it is checked, then that means the package is loaded or activated and can be used. And there's many more packages available on the R website that you can go through and install yourself. In order to do this, we would click on the Packages window, select Install, and then we would type in the packages. Let's install the geometry package. We would click install, and our packages would install. And so depending on what we're doing, we may want to install multiple different packages. And as we go through our probability and statistics course, most of our packages should already be here. But if we do need to install a package, I will walk you through that.